So Mumu here, and today I am in, where is it again?
Media City?
Yeah, Media City, UK. One of the buildings in there, and I found this Schindler lift. Oh, yay. So we'll go up to 2, then back to ground 2. Here we go. Here's the panel. Don't know what the speaker is. It's also got this here and this here. Gosh, that levels quickly. Only like one door up here. Right, ground. Let's check if the door close button works. The other lifts I've been in here, they work. Yeah, works on this as well. 2, 1. Wouldn't like to be in here with 17 people then. It'll be so squished. Here we go. Right, here we are out again in this Schindler lift here. So anyway, that's been Captain Mumu.